Cloud over the last couple of days. It did break this afternoon. A weather front moved its way through. It did bring some patchy rain, and it has left us with some clear skies developing as we go through the night. So this is how we've finished Friday, but with clear skies, of course, come colder nights. So this weekend, the risk of a touch of frost as temperatures dip fairly close to freezing, but it does at least mean with high pressure building in that by day it's going to be dry. We'll see some bright, even some sunny spells around. So a pretty decent weekend, but you'll notice not much cloud as we go through the night. I think most of us will see temperatures at around about 1 to 2 degrees. But remember, those are air temperatures, so on the ground it could be a touch colder down to around freezing. That's why we're mentioning the risk of a ground frost. But after that chilly start, it's fine, it's dry. Some fair weather cloud will tend to build up as we go through the afternoon, and the winds fairly light. Temperatures will reach around about 8 or 9 degrees. Not a great deal changes then as we go through the evening and overnight into Sunday morning. So without that cloud coverage, it does allow temperatures to fall away once again. Perhaps not quite as low for Sunday morning, starting at around 2 to 3 degrees. But again, by day, it stays fine and dry. Most of us having some bright, some sunny spells, a little bit of cloud floating around at times. Perhaps those temperatures may just get into double figures at around about 10 degrees throughout the afternoon. But as we start Monday's forecast, there is a weather front lurking. It will gradually push away that air of high pressure. There's our weekend's weather. But as we go through Monday, this weather front starting to move its way in from the west. By the time it reaches us on Monday evening, not a great deal of rain, fairly patchy and light. But once it clears away, some tightly packed isobars, so it is going to be quite windy, but at the same time, not getting colder. If anything, the air is changing to a much milder southwesterly direction. So we're dragging in these oranges and yellow colours as we go through next week. So for the outlook, it is expected to be a dry weekend with some sunshine around, but then into next week, windy, cloudy, and also milder. But don't forget, whilst daytime temperatures around 8 or 9 degrees, there will be some chilly nights with a risk of frost through this weekend and possibly a little bit of rain towards the end of next week.
And definitely no snow. Nina, thank you very much.